Hello guys, welcome back to Crafty Culture. Today we are going to make a liquid hand wash. We are going to use a normal bar soap, Graceland, and water. Just the three items to make a liquid hand wash. Welcome to my channel. First, we will need a bowl. This is where I'm going to mix my soap. Then we need a grater. I will be using the grater to grind the soap into smaller particles. We need a measuring cup. We need Pure Graceland to make the consistency of the soap. I'm gonna use the Dove bar soap, but you can use any type of bar soap you wish. And finally, I'll use my dispenser bottle. You can choose any type of bottle readily available to dispense your liquid soap. As I said, you can choose the type of bar soap you want. Any type of bar soap will work, and for me, I'm using the Dove soap, which is 4 ounces or 113 grams. So you're gonna grind the whole soap using a grater. So you do it slowly and carefully so that you cannot grind your fingers. As you can see, we are getting the fine and smaller particles of the bar soap. This is how the fine grind of the bar soap looks like. Now we go to the next step. We're going to add 2 cups of hot boiled water. 1 cup is equivalent to 250 milligrams, which is like a quarter of a liter. So we're going to make 2 of them, which is half a liter. So I'm gonna pour water and put it on the stove to boil. The hot boiled water will help the solid bar soap dissolve in water. I'm going to turn on my stove to heat the water. Now we have the boiled water. Now we are going to add 2 cups of our boiled water to our grinded bar soap particles. Now I'm gonna add 2 full tablespoons of Pure Graceland. The work of the Pure Graceland here is to make the liquid hand wash have the flowing consistency. Then we're going to stir using my tablespoon until you see the bigger solid particles have dissolved in our solution. Then I'm going to cover my solution and leave it to settle for 8 hours so that I can make sure everything has dissolved. Now 8 hours down, and we go back to our solution and see what happened. As you can see, we have a very thick cream of soap. This is it, guys. Now we have our liquid hand wash, homemade, made from a bar soap. Now we are going to pour our liquid hand wash to our dispenser bottle. So I'm pouring my liquid hand wash to my dispenser bottle. You have to do it carefully so that you cannot spill the hand wash. And finally, we have our homemade liquid hand wash made from the local available bar soap. This will definitely save you a lot of money. Now let's put our liquid hand wash to test. As you can see, our liquid hand wash has the consistency